Hey there, my name's Nedas, also known as Neza, and looks like you've come across my channel and are wondering, what does this kid have to offer? Well, to answer your question, I do Unity, one of many game engines out there that can offer a way of making a game, even though I may be new to Unity and that this is a new journey to me. I'm still looking forward on showing my progress when it comes to making games that you guys will enjoy. I started with programming in early 2017, with the starting program language being Python. You see, I was practically learning a language that wasn't even used in game development, and when it was used for the most simplistic of games, so you can clearly see a problem there. With help with certain videos, I came across the magical game engine, of course being Unity. I first discovered Unity through a couple of YouTubers, one being the most known, which is Brackies. I watched his videos and how he would make 3D movement and other aspects, which amazed me and made me want to jump straight into programming. So the next day I decided to hop on my computer, download Unity and Visual Studio, and started my journey in game development. Now, being a teenager with no experience on game development and having little knowledge on it, you can clearly see a problem. So I did myself a favor and started watching videos about Unity and what it had to offer. Then eventually I started a course on it. And in a way, that was the start of my journey. Having little bit of knowledge of programming in Unity, I started on making simple games like obstacle courses, and even attempted on a first-person shooter where it failed miserably, by the way. Even though I was new to Unity, its simplicity allowed me to learn quite quickly. I decided to also get a course from Udemy to work on many aspects of C# and creating a very bad starter game that only had simple features. And as time went on, I began getting used to the engine and just scripting in general, and began moving on to harder aspects of game development. And here I am now. Please keep in mind that I did not go to university or anything to gain my knowledge in game development, so there are still some parts and pieces which I won't understand, so please bear with me when I do make mistakes. I've enjoyed programming and was planning on making content on it for a while, so guess here I am, beginning my journey to be a game development YouTuber as well as a gaming YouTuber. I know this is going to be a hassle as I struggle uploading one video on my gaming channel a month. Link in the description for it if you want to go and check it out. As for what is going to happen to the current channel, to be honest, I don't know, as there are many things I've always wanted to do when it came to this channel. So I guess it's going to be a surprise for you, figuring out what types of games I will be making in my next videos. Maybe I will make games that you guys will be able to play. My main goal is eventually making a high quality first-person shooter in which you guys can enjoy, and with that in mind, I also have plans on moving to Unreal Engine to work on more higher quality games. With that out of the way, I'm looking forward on seeing what I can do and how you guys would enjoy my content. So in other words, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!